So here's what I mean. We have here is Google, right? So what you're gonna do is look up the picture. Let's say it's a running skeleton. Images. Now these images are called thumbnails. Each one of these is a low quality resolution, like a very simplified version of the image. Why? Because Google needs to, they deal with data, right? Data isn't free and it isn't bottomless. They need to be able to make your computer run as fast as they can while not slowing down their giant processing centers with every search that everyone's doing, the tens of thousands that are happening right now. So each one of these is a very low quality image. Let's say you really like this one. If you were to save this picture right here, the best that quality would be this big. If I were to paste it onto my Word document and want to blow it up bigger than this, it would be very blurry, very poor in its quality. So what do? You want to click on it. Now I got the high quality, the 900 by 900 pixel image of this. That is very high. What you want is something that's in the thousands if you can. Close to the thousands is close enough. You right click that. It's as simple as that. So what you want to do is draw in rectangles. You're likely going to draw 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Usually my magic number is 7. What you want to do is draw rectangles of different shapes, so it gives you different planes to explore with. You're no longer working with 8.5 by 11 printer paper or notebooks that are the same size. You get to pick whatever size you want in the art class. We have sheets of paper that are 18.5 by 11, 18 inches by 24 inches. You also have paper that you can slice down to any shape. We have canvases that are much larger than that. So it really depends on what you need, and make sure that you're investigating through composition so I can give you the right paper. So right here you see me drawing different types of wolves howling at a moon. And notice what I do every single time. I zoom in, I zoom out. I try different angles. I switch the wolf so it's facing a different direction. I play around with the moon size. You'll even see me goof around with like multiple wolves. So each one of these is giving me a different vibe, different feel. You got to figure out which one is the right one for you. I did one from overhead. Now I'm doing one where you don't even see the wolf's head. It's just the rest of its body. Could you tell that he's howling? Maybe not, but it was worth trying out. And then the last one here, I'm very zoomed in on a odd size paper. So out of all these, number 1, 2, and 3 were pretty good, but it wasn't until I drew number 8 and number 9 that I really fell in love with the ideas. So if I wouldn't have drawn the 8th or 9th drawing, I would have never gotten there. So moral of the story is, the more you mess around with composition in these simple thumbnails that shouldn't take you longer than 10, 15, 20 minutes to draw out, it'll give you a better image to work with, better structure, better foundation, and a better idea of what you want to do. So that's the process. Make sure you do it. All right, let's see what you got.